Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing VS Code and launching it with a project folder open. This unlocks IntelliSense, terminal scope, and workspace settings. Once done, install 3 essentials: language pack for your language, Git integration, and a live preview extension so you can iterate quickly. Make sure to pick the stable release. It reduces unexpected behavior. You'll see the activity bar. Use it to open Explorer, Search, Source Control. This first setup gives you immediate productivity and context-aware features. Next, you customize the workspace settings so VS Code behaves predictably across files. Set default formatter, tab size, and end of line to avoid diff noise. Then configure the integrated terminal shell and ensure Git user. Name and user. Email are correct for commits. Once that's set, install the debugger for your runtime and generate a launch. JSON to run or debug with breakpoints. Make sure extensions are workspace-enabled if project-specific, because global settings versus workspace settings determine consistency. To finish, run your app using run and debug. Set breakpoints, step through code, and inspect variables so you understand runtime behavior. If something fails, check the Problems panel, Output channels, and the integrated terminal for precise error messages. These tell you what to fix. If extensions cause issues, reload the window, disable recently added extensions, or launch with extensions disabled to isolate the conflict. Finally, save workspace settings and commit a VS Code folder to share consistent setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.